Today we are going to learn about how to change the color of our Excel window. So first of all, you want to head over to files, you want to head over to accounts, right? And you're going to see different accounts are going to pop up here, and you can change the background of your file. For example, you can change the background like that, as you can see. Now we're going to head over to colorful, right? We're going to head over to colorful, and we are going to see the color of Excel has been added there. So let's go back and see how our workbook now look. Now you can see, the color of our workbook. You can see that, right? Maybe we want to go back and then add. We want to go and add gray and dark, right? Yeah. So you are going to be seeing how your workbook is going to be looking like. See that? Yeah. You're going to be seeing how your workbook is going to be looking like.